If you're looking for a legit remote job that pays at least $25 an hour and doesn't require any previous experience, you're in the right place today. I'm breaking down the best work from home jobs you can start fast, even if you're starting from scratch. These are flexible, high paying, beginner friendly opportunities that thousands of people are already using to earn solid income from home. Let's get started. Job number one, remote chat support. Companies are shifting away from phone based customer service and moving everything to chat. That means support reps who can answer questions through text, no calls, no headset, no camera, are in high demand. Pay typically starts between $20 and $28 per hour, but many roles hit $30 plus with performance bonuses. You'll handle tasks like helping customers track orders, troubleshooting basic issues, resetting accounts or passwords, guiding users through simple steps. The best part? Most companies provide step-by-step training. You can find these positions on Mod Squad, LiveWorld, Outplex, Concentrix, Amazon seasonal roles. This is ideal for anyone who types fast, communicates clearly, and wants a quiet, call-free job. Job number two, remote data entry and document processing. Data entry gets a bad reputation, but quality companies still hire real people, especially for accuracy-based tasks that AI can't fully automate yet. These roles typically pay $22 to $27 per hour, and they require zero technical skills. Common tasks include updating spreadsheets, entering customer information, organizing receipts or invoices, cleaning up messy data, uploading documents into internal systems. Companies hiring beginners include Robert Half, Kelly Services, Aston Carter, Bold Business, The Mom Project. If you're detail-oriented and like simple, structured work, this is one of the easiest ways to earn from home with no past experience. Job number three, online community moderator. Brands, apps, and creators need moderators to keep their communities safe and positive. As a moderator, you'll monitor chat rooms, social groups, or forums, and remove anything inappropriate. Pay normally ranges from $20 to $32 per hour, depending on the platform. Your responsibilities can include approving or rejecting posts, answering basic questions, enforcing rules, reviewing user reports, keeping conversations friendly. Places hiring moderators? Mod Squad, Discord communities, Reddit teams, gaming studios, influencer Facebook groups. This role is perfect for someone who's online a lot, understands social media, and wants flexible part-time hours. Job number four, appointment setter and scheduler. Businesses like real estate agents, marketing agencies, and consultants need help scheduling calls, and many will pay $25 to $35 an hour for someone who can message prospects, follow up, and lock in appointments. Most work is done through email, chat, text message, CRM software. The company provides, you're not selling. You're simply organizing calendars and confirming times. You can find these roles on Indeed, LinkedIn, Upwork, We Work Remotely, Remote.co. If you enjoy communication and staying organized, this job can quickly turn into long-term, stable remote work. Job number five, AI content assistant. Thousands of small businesses are trying to keep up with content creation, and most don't know how to use AI tools effectively. That's where you come in. AI assistants help businesses rewrite emails, format social media posts, summarize documents, draft simple blog posts, update listings, create basic graphics or captions. Since you're not writing from scratch, you don't need experience, just the ability to follow instructions and use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Notion. These roles pay $25 to $40 per hour, and they're exploding in popularity. Look for them on Freelancer, Upwork, Simply Hired, Remote OK, FlexJobs. This is one of the fastest-growing beginner-friendly jobs in the remote space, and that wraps up our list of the best remote jobs paying $25 per hour or more, with zero experience required. These aren't scams. These aren't surveys. These are real opportunities anyone can start with a basic computer and a reliable internet connection. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around, because we're dropping more remote job guides, work-from-home opportunities, and income-building strategies every single week.